how to get first orders on Fiverr for beginners. Today, I'm telling you about different tips and tricks that will help you gain your first order on Fiverr. Now, we are beginners and we know there is a lot of competition on Fiverr, but we want our gig to stand out and we want to get our first order. Don't worry, I will be telling you about different tips and tricks that will definitely help you to score your first order. So let's start. At number one, guys, the thing that you need to do in order for your gig to pop out to the buyers and your gig to appeal to the buyers is that add a good description. Now, it's very simple and it's actually neglected most of the time because we think that who's going to read the description, but that's the thing. Everybody reads your description. That's the first thing they're going to see. Make sure that your description is descriptive enough and it has all the information about you, and it will give an idea to the buyer that what they will be getting from you. So make sure your description is SEO friendly also. What I mean by SEO friendly is, like, for example, if I go to the search bar and I type editors, right? So I have added the word editors. I didn't say anything all like that. So you will see these are the people that actually came first. Look at this. So if I go to their description, you will get an idea. For example, if I click here and go to this guy's description, you will see that he must have used the word editor in his description. Okay, so let's see. This is what his description. Look at this. I am a video editor. Now that's so simple. Most of the people are like, we are working as an editor. Why would we write that? But he has added the word I am a video editor. So it has, provided him with a keyword, and it's actually helping him to get the buyers and to be on the top because he is working with SEO and all the gigs right here. If you will add the keywords into your description and your description is SEO friendly, so you have used SEO friendly words and you have a good description, then it will actually stand out and the buyers will be like, okay, we know this person has a good sense of what we are looking for. So it will definitely help you a lot. So moving on to my second tip is that we want to get orders, right? We are beginners, we don't have reviews. So what we have is we have the opportunity to add a good description. And the other thing is that you can actually add a video into your description. So what will happen is that when you add a video, we all know that if someone will open, for example, let's go to this guy over here. He's pro verified, right? So when we will go to his profile or any profile that has a video and we see this play button, we're going to press on it and we're going to watch his video. So that will actually make us familiar with him. And for example, let me put this way. You're looking at two different gigs at the same time and you're like, okay, this person has the same description and the other person has also the same description. So then you will watch his video and you will feel a little familiar with him. And also, here's also another tip that comes from this is that use your face in the video. Why I'm saying this? Because we all know when we see somebody and we have seen somebody and we feel familiar, and then we are like, okay, we know this person, we have seen his video. And rather than if a person does have a video but they do not have a face, then we will just eventually choose a person who we know, and that will actually help you a lot in order to get your first order. So add a video in your description that has your picture and you're the one talking or you're the one explaining anything you want to add. After that, guys, the next thing that I want you to do is that price accordingly. Like for example, you are a beginner, and if you are a beginner and you're charging more than other like top rated sellers, and there are people who have reviews, that's actually a thing. You need reviews on Fiverr. Actually, on all the platforms you need reviews. So for example, when you are a beginner, you don't have reviews. So how we can beat those top sellers, like we have a chance of getting a job in between among those all top sellers and five rated people, is that if we price accordingly and if we price little low. Because most of the buyers on Fiverr actually are looking to save money, because of course everybody is all the time they want their work to be done in less price. So if you will provide them a good amount, an affordable fee, then they will definitely look into your profile and they will be like, okay, we need to check this person out. And honestly, like for example, some of the people think that every gig is $5 on Fiverr, because you get the point, right? So yeah, I mean, you have to add a price accordingly. If you are an editor, go ahead and check out, actually get the inspiration. For example, if you are, go to digital marketing and check out that what is the average pricing and what will be good for you as a beginner, and check out what is the average. For example, look at this $15. Some people are charging like 15, and then there are with 195. So don't go crazy. Look at this person, and he or she is charging like $5, and she has like 5-star reviews. So we're competing with these people. So make sure that all the tips that I'm actually telling you are will definitely help you with your first order. Just be considerate and keep these tips in mind when you are starting your Fiverr. So yeah, price accordingly. Don't go too crazy. Don't break the bank. Just stay humble with the prices. After that, here's another tip for you. Great. So, the next tip that I have for you is that be creative with your description, be creative with your work, and actually do provide quality. That's actually the first thing you need to do. Complete your profile, make your profile stand out, have, get the inspiration, get all of the get your head into it and brainstorm and make, create something beautiful. When people look at your gig and they're like, okay, this is an amazing person, I want to hire this person. And make sure to complete your profile. That's actually the first thing. Don't be like, if your profile will not be even complete, then people will be like, what is this, and they will definitely skip you. So you will have to be creative, add videos, add images, add good description, and be genuine about your job. Don't add things that you cannot do, so that will actually have a bad rating and a bad expression. So don't do that. Be genuine and have all the information. Just add the things that you can actually do. After that, in this regard, I will also suggest that avail all the opportunities available on Fiverr gigs. Like when you are creating different gigs, Fiverr actually allows you a lot of option to add into your profile. So go through them. There are literally different options available. So look at this right here. There is a FAQ section where you can actually add different things, and different, you can actually answer the questions that people have. So it will actually have a very good impression. If Fiverr is giving you the opportunity to add these FAQs, so avail it and add these FAQs, and you will the reviews are obviously there. Then you can add tags and different things, and then there is contact seller option. So go through these options that Fiverr has provided and complete your profile, and yeah, then you will definitely get your first order on Fiverr, because it's not that hard. Just be patient and be creative and learn and expert your skill, and one day you will become a Fiverr Pro verified user. So yeah guys, that's it for the today's video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to create an awesome gig of your own. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.